Welcome to the video on Tool Selection Framework. After watching this video, you will be able to describe the key stages of the Tool Selection Framework and explain their purpose in selecting educational tools, analyze and compare potential tools based on tool evaluation criteria, and develop an implementation plan for integrating a selected tool into an educational setting. Have you ever struggled to select the right AI tool for your work? There are so many options that it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But what if there was a simple, structured way to find the best tool for your needs? Let's look at a step-by-step guide to making smart, informed choices. The Tool Selection Framework consists of 5 phases or steps that'll help you select the best tool that fits your needs. Firstly, you must know what you need. Secondly, you'll find your options. Next, you'll evaluate those options. Then, you'll try the tool before committing. And finally, you'll decide on the tool. In the first step, you must take time to clearly identify and gather your requirements. This will save you significant time and effort by ensuring that your focus is only on the tools that genuinely address your specific challenges and requirements. During this step, you must define the learning objectives or tasks you want to address, identify the target audience and their needs, and then list the required or must-have features. While doing this, you should also consider if AI is the best solution for you, your budget, and long-term implications for your teaching and students. For example, a high school English teacher needs a tool to create differentiated writing prompts and provide quick essay feedback. Key requirements include no student data collection, an easy-to-use interface, and either a free tier or an affordable subscription. After defining your needs, you'll explore available tools that could potentially meet them. You must start with all possible options and then choose the best ones based on what you need. In this step, your first objective is to research potential tools and solutions. You can look for general AI tools, such as ChatGPT and Claude, education-specific AI tools such as Teachflow and Twee, and some hybrid approaches. Then, you can get recommendations and feedback by asking your colleagues about their experiences and joining educational technology communities. Next, create an initial tool comparison list by documenting each tool's key features, noting their pricing models and limitations, and checking their integration capabilities. Your final objective in this step is to remove options that don't meet your critical needs. To fulfill this objective, you must evaluate the necessary features, check your budget constraints, verify your technical requirements, and also consider your implementation needs. Let's consider an example of math instruction and compare the possible tool options. If you select a specialized platform such as Khanmigo, it has math-specific features and offers LMS integration, but it is expensive. If you select a hybrid approach that combines ChatGPT and GeoGebra, it will offer you flexibility and lower costs, but the setup will be complex. Now that you've identified potential tools, the next step is to systematically evaluate each one using the 5 key criteria. This approach will help you consider all important aspects before deciding. Firstly, you must create an evaluation matrix of the tool using the 5 criteria. The criteria include pedagogical value, privacy and security, implementation context, ease of use, and cost and resources. Next, you must test each tool with real scenarios, document its specific strengths and limitations, and identify any potential deal breakers. You should also consider the tool's scalability and future needs. For example, if you evaluate Teachflow for content creation, it offers good pedagogical value due to its strong auto-grading and worksheet generation feature. It has good privacy features with FERPA compliance and requires an account before you can use it. It is a web-based tool that requires the internet. It has been designed with education in mind and comes with ready-to-use templates to get you started quickly. There's a free tier available, and if you need more features, the pricing is budget-friendly and scales as you grow. Now comes the time to test the tool in real conditions before making a final decision. You can start using the tool with a free trial or tier if available, and then test with real content you'll actually use. You can try using both basic and advanced features and gather feedback from potential users. You can plan your testing with a 2-week test plan for writing support. In the first week, you can generate prompts and analyze the basic feedback. In the second week, you can test advanced features and evaluate consistency. After you have gathered all the information about the tool, you are ready to make an informed choice and plan its implementation. When choosing the right tool, compare evaluation results and user feedback to make an informed decision. Think about long-term sustainability and the level of support you'll need down the road. Also, map out the implementation steps for a smooth transition and identify any training and resources needed to help everyone get started. For example, the implementation plan for the new assessment tool can be as follows. In the first phase, train your teachers. In the second phase, perform testing by creating a limited student group. And finally, fully deploy your tool. Now, to measure the success of your tool, focus on how efficiently assessments are handled and how engaged students are in the learning process. In this video, you learned that the tool selection framework helps you select the best AI tool that fits your needs. The framework consists of 5 steps. Firstly, you must know what you need. That is, you must take time to clearly identify and gather your requirements. Secondly, you'll find your options. That is, explore available tools that could potentially meet your needs. Next, you'll systematically evaluate your options using the 5 key criteria. Then, you'll try and test the tool in real conditions. And finally, you'll decide on the tool using the gathered information to make an informed choice and plan its implementation.